This week's Torah reading is the portion Shemot, and it marks the beginning of the second of the 5 books of Moses. The portion continues the narrative of the children of Jacob, or Israel, in the land of Egypt, but now, after Joseph has died, they have increased markedly in number. The portion begins with a reminder of who the 12 sons of Jacob are, and then introduces us to Pharaoh in a very interesting way. It says, "A new king arose in Egypt." It could have stopped there. The Torah could have simply stopped there to say that a new king arose and then describe the subsequent policies of this new Pharaoh regarding this huge population of Israelites. But instead it adds one description of him. It says, "A new king arose in Egypt who did not know Joseph." What does that mean? Obviously, we're supposed to learn something about the fact that the new Pharaoh forgot completely the policies that Joseph had instituted to allow Egypt to weather the famine for those 7 years. And so the intentional forgetting is a very interesting point that the Torah wants us to learn as a reader. Because the Torah isn't just about the course of events of our ancestors in Egypt. The Torah is about us learning very personal religious messages. What happens to us in our family dynamics, at work, in life in general, when we intentionally forget something? The fact that Pharaoh intentionally forgot Joseph led to grave consequences for Egypt as a whole, and foreshadows great events for Israel. When we intentionally forget our own personal history, our own Jewish history, or any other element of family dynamics, it could pose grave consequences for us. Asher lo yada et Yosef, who did not know Joseph, teaches us that lesson, what happens when we forget. Shabbat Shalom.